now we're in a 62 GMC 2500 with a turbo LS setup. A regular cab, long bed unit on air ride. Dick, say hi.
How's it going?
Show them the chop.